Equipment. Preparation of cargo pump turbine. The chief engineer participates in the shipboard meeting and is to relate the contents to the engine department, especially the port schedule and cargo operation schedule. Engine department should prepare cargo pump for use, according to the chief engineer's instructions. To prepare cargo pump, a drain outlet in the steam line is to be opened. Crack open the steam inlet valve to warm up the pump and the associated line. Procedures for preparation of cargo pump are as follows. Vacuum condenser. Ensure steady level of the hot well. Confirm that the inlet and outlet seawater valves are open. Confirm that vacuum pressure is established in normal level. Check whether the pump revolution is at governor minimum. Check the temperature of each part of the cargo pump turbine. Check gear and bearing temperature. Check for any abnormal vibration and noise. Check the movement of the servo motor of the governor. Check that there are no leakages of oil, steam, etc., or any other abnormalities. Duty engineer should monitor boiler system at all times during discharging work. Engineer officer should advise CCR duty officer when steam consumption changes faster, according to the pump operation. CCR duty officer must operate pump carefully so as not to cause an abrupt change in steam consumption.